Hey you guys! Welcome to another Sweepstakes Advantage video. Today I am going to teach you how to make your own custom My Sweepstakes list on Sweepstakes Plus. Now, this special tool is only for Sweepstakes Plus members, and Sweepstakes Plus is basically an upgraded version of Sweepstakes Advantage, and you do need a subscription to be a member of Sweepstakes Plus. So if you're not already a member, there will be information at the end of the video to learn how to make your very own account, and also a special discount code if you watch all the way through. So watch all the way through. You might learn something and save some money. Alright you guys, so let's get started. And it is the Sweepstakes Princess herself, Miss Leela. Leela, can you say hello to these fine folks? Can you say hello? Show them a little paw. Hello. Hello. Am I crazy? Yes, I am. Alright, let's go ahead and make a brand new My Custom Sweepstakes list on Sweepstakes Plus. So first of all, you need to log into your Sweepstakes Plus account, which I've already done, as you can see. Then we're going to go to our My Sweepstakes list, which I did show you how to do in the last video, but I'll show you again. Go to Sweepstakes, Latest Sweeps, and scroll down to My Sweepstakes. Lovely, lovely. We can see our general categories. So I have daily and one entry, but today we are going to talk about custom categories that you make yourself. And custom categories are very important because they help you create your own custom list that can better suit the prizes and the categories of sweepstakes that you want to enter. So you can fully customize and optimize your sweepstakes experience. So let's go ahead and look at how to add a new custom category. This green button right here, you can click on that. Now, for an example, let's say I am only really interested in entering sweepstakes that are daily and for technology. I want to win an iPad or an iPhone or something like that. So I'm going to name this list Daily Tech and click Save. All right, here it is. If I click on it, there's 0 sweeps in there, and that's a problem. So we're going to add some daily tech sweeps. So if I'm thinking, I need a new iPad, I really want to win an iPad, and that's where I want to put my focus, then I can go ahead, have a current sweepstakes, I can search for iPad. Here are the search results, and I can look through and find one that's daily that interests me. Right here, I dropped News 11-inch iPad Pro giveaway, and I think that would really fit nicely into my custom category. So, I'm gonna look here, I'm gonna put it on Daily Tech, add to my sweepstakes. Alright, so I have added that to my Daily Tech sweepstakes custom list. And we can go back and check by going to My Sweepstakes, Daily Tech, and bam, there it is. So every day I can come back to this list and really focus on that prize that I want to win. So the idea of creating your own custom sweepstakes list is to make your own substantial and private list that you can refer back to daily and increase your odds of winning the prizes that you want to win. For example, another extremely popular category on our website is Instant Win Daily. So I have actually created my own My Sweepstakes list, and I will show you right here. So I named this custom category Instant Win Daily. If I click inside, you can see all of the Instant Win daily sweeps that I have been entering. Right here, the Haagen-Dazs 60th birthday Instant Win sweepstakes. I really, really want to win some ice cream, so I've been entering that one every single day. The potential of creating your own list for the types of prizes you want to win and the types of categories of sweepstakes you want to enter is limitless. So you have made it this far, and if you think I could use a Sweepstakes Plus subscription, I have got a special coupon code for you so that you can have a Sweepstakes Plus subscription for a whole year. And I will put the code right here. The code is 20 off plus. So just enter in this coupon code, 20 off plus, when you are purchasing your Sweepstakes Plus subscription. For less than 10 cents a day, you can access thousands of sweepstakes every single day and have amazing customizable tools to truly optimize your sweepstakes experience and win prizes. That is what it's all about. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments section. And if this helped you out today and you'd like to see more from us, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button for more content. We post new informational videos every single week. We love having you here and we will see you again next week. Bye!